Hello and welcome back to another episode of Tock Tech Talk. It's been a while since I said that. Anyway, today it's time to chat about the Apple Watch Series 5. This is the cellular version in stainless steel and a ceramic case and in a gorgeous Milanese loop. So the biggest upgrade for the Apple Watch Series 5 is of course the always-on Retina display. So essentially what it means that you don't have to keep raising your wrist just to check the time or for any notifications. What happens is that the screen just dims when you put your wrist down, and amazingly enough, the battery isn't too compromised. However, if you're going to use it extensively on a day with GPS turned on, your workout apps, and constant flow of notifications, the tip is to turn off the always-on option. Other than that, another fun feature I really like is the noise app that basically detects the level of decibels in your surroundings so that you know if it's very harmful for your hearing in the long run, as an example. There's also a built-in compass app which makes using the Maps app way easier so you know which direction you're heading to. But for us who are usually driving, you probably won't be using it that much. And how convenient is it to have cellular on your watch, because you basically don't have to carry your phone around with you when you're going for, running down to get coffee or just going for a jog, because you can stay connected, listen to podcasts and music, and the only thing that's missing is Apple Pay. There, I said it, and time's up. It's 2020 and obviously I heard this segment needed to be a bit longer, so we're introducing TikTok Tip Top, where we dish a few tips to make your life even easier with the product. So for the Apple Watch Series 5, that is an understatement. One of my favorite tips is truly customizing your watch face with the complications that matter the most. My personal choice, the infograph, that lets you fit basically 9 complications, so I can put in like the weather and a different time zone and even an XE currency. Just give the screen a hard press and scroll through every section until you find what you need. FYI, since the App Store, as I mentioned earlier, is now on your wrist, you can also download more apps to fit your lifestyle. So if you're a frequent traveler, my favorite is the XE currency, which is great for quick conversion. So imagine if you're at a store and you see something for, 3,000 won and you don't know how much is that in ringgit, you can just tap on your watch and key in the number and you get it instantly. There's also a water minder to keep track of your liquid intake if that's something that you need to improve on. Also, did you know that you can control your iPhone's camera from your Apple Watch? Just open the camera app on the watch and prop your phone to whatever composition you desire, hard press for more camera options, and you can even switch it to selfie mode or turn on flash. And if you misplaced your iPhone, simply ping it by swiping up on the menu, hard press the icon to enable flash for better visibility. So overall, the Apple Watch Series 5 doesn't come with that many new features that require you to upgrade it from, say, an Apple Watch Series 4 or 3. But if you love the convenience of having the always-on display and cellular capability, go for it. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Using the Maps app. Apple Pay! There, I said it. Just in time. Cut. Time for Edward. No, 1 minute. Let's do that again.